told me it was your mission to emancipate women. That these dresses were a reminder of the suffering women endured in the name of fashion. Where's the mask?
We can tear the place apart to find it.
Women used to paint their faces in lead white, ended up with poison in their bloodstream. They put drops of belladonna in their eyes just to make them sparkle, and ended up blind. This mask is just another one of life's cruel tortures. The painful price of beauty. Rich women wore it to shield their faces from the sun. Simply to have pale skin.